Okay, there is a square side. And the third one, rectangle. So rectangle, this is a rectangle. Okay, one is a longer edge, another shorter edge. And next one, you draw the how to pentagonal or hexagonal. This is a pentagonal, this is an hexagonal. Okay, so see how to draw your pentagonal shape. We can see. So that is a pentagonal shape you can draw. First you draw a baseline. What is the given side? You can take this. For example, you given the section side is 30 mm. You take this, put a name of A and B. You take what is the angle? 72 degree or 72 degree. You do this. Okay. You take this scale. This is center point to cut a arc. What is the whatever may be given length? What is the side given? Okay, cut the arc. And also this center point cut a arc. There is a 2 point intersected to join the lines. Okay, this is your pentagonal shape. 72 degree. Otherwise, you given inside the 108 degree. 108 degree. Okay, 108 degree. Okay. And how to draw your pentagonal shape? Hexagonal shape. First, you draw a baseline. Whatever maybe you take this 60 degree. 60 degree. And also given opposite side 60 degree. Okay. Draw a parallel lines. Sorry, perpendicular. Whatever given length, whatever side, you take the cut arc. Whatever maybe, you take this. Join the lines. This is your pentagonal shape. That's all. Okay. This is your pentagonal shape. Sorry, this is your hexagonal shape. So this is your introduction for your projection of planes. Okay. And next, what are the base used concepts? Okay. For example, you take this. For example, you take square. So this one is a corner. This is your corner. Corner. On the next edge, this is your edge. Edge. Okay. This is your corner. This is your edge. Two corner, draw a parallel line. This is called as edge. Okay. This is your next same. This is your rectangle. This is also your corner. This is also edge. What is the name of the edge? Shorter edge. It's called as a shorter edge. This one longer edge. This one. So you take this rectangle. This is your shorter edge. This is your longer edge. Okay. And also you can take this pentagonal is the 5 sides. Okay, so whatever angle, this keep in your mind. You take 72, otherwise 180 degree. Okay. For example, given there is applicable for how to draw this pentagonal shape. This is for example given your side. For example, given 24, 26, 34. So there is not used for template. So otherwise use this one method. For example, given 30, 35, so you can easily use it for this template. Okay, how to template you can use you to draw the pentagonal shape easily. And next same used for our hexagonal shape. You take 60 degree, otherwise you take 120 degree. Both sides you can use that. Okay, so other same procedure you can follow that. For example, given 24, 26, you can use it for this method. Otherwise, you can use it for the template. You see, you can easily draw. Okay, this is your projection of planes. And the next one, for example, already I told that there is a corner edge and a shorter edge or a longer edge. Okay, and the next, for example, given diagonal. So, what is diagonal? There is a diagonal name. The two corner join the line, inclined. Two corner join the inclined line. This is called as a diagonal shape. Diagonal shape. Okay. Two corner join the lines. This is called as a diagonal shape. Okay. Right. Okay, you can take this one by one. For example, given this is your square rectangle shape, I told that this is your short edge, this is your long edge. Okay, for whatever given, whatever maybe given, what is the dimension? Okay, you know that. And the next one, this one, next one, pentagonal shape. So this is the pentagonal shape. This is already I told that you can draw this method. Okay, also okay. This is called as also this is edge. This is your corners. This is your corner. This is your edge. Okay. For example, given this is one edge side in VP. This is one side. This is edge. This is your corners. Okay. And next, this is your semicircle also. Semicircle. Okay. And next is called as a square. Already told that this is square, this is your edge, this is corner, this is your diagonal shape. This is your diagonal shape. This is your diagonal shape. And also you could take this circle. Already already introduction. What is how to draw your circle? You take this geometric construction divided into 8 division. You can using 3 6 divided by 8. That is convenient. Not 12. That is very difficult to draw the circle. Okay, only you can use it for 8. Okay, divided into 8 divisions. Okay, right. And next your pentagonal shape. This is your pentagonal shape. Pentagonal shape is called as here. Already this is 6 sides also. You take this. This is your edge. This is your one side. This is the edge. This is the corner. For example, given problem, there is a 2 lateral edges. There is a 2 lateral edges. So corner rests in HP. This is corner. You know that, just keep in your mind. This is your edge. This is the 2 lateral edges. For example, this is corner. This one corner. Okay. And already told that your circle divided into 8 divisions also. Circle, you take this circle divided into 8 divisions. Right. For example, next given draw a next pentagonal, hexagonal. For example, given horizontal motion, this you can draw. For example, you draw a vertical motion, you take this, draw a circle, whatever may be given side, you draw a circle. For example, given 20 mm side, you draw a circle. 20 mm, you draw a circle. You take the center point, you take the 25 to cut a arc, this one. Okay, and also this is your center point to cut a arc also. Join the lines. This is your hexagonal shape. This one, okay. This is your hexagonal shape. Okay. This is our introduction of